Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is July 28th, 2024, and we've got some intriguing stories lined up for you. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, Tesla is reportedly considering a $5 billion investment in xAI, a company focused on artificial intelligence. This potential move has raised eyebrows among analysts, who are concerned that it might resemble a bailout for another of Elon Musk's ventures. xAI has struggled to gain traction in a highly competitive market, and critics argue that Tesla's funds could be better spent elsewhere. The investment in xAI is seen as potentially diverting resources from more productive areas within Tesla. Given the company's ongoing challenges in scaling production and maintaining profitability, analysts suggest that Tesla would be better off allocating these funds to enhance its core automotive business or to invest in more promising technologies. This discussion around the potential investment highlights Musk's tendency to support his various ventures, even when they face difficulties. The strategic priorities of Tesla are being questioned, with concerns about whether the company can afford to take such risks at this stage. While Musk's ambition is commendable, the financial implications of this investment could be detrimental to Tesla's long-term goals. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these insights valuable. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates on everything Tesla and beyond. Stay curious and stay informed.